Hi, I'm Ayush Nikam. I did my BTech in Computer Science from IIIT Guwahati and was a part of Cohort 1 at Scalers School of Business, currently leading growth at OCAMSA. Actually, it wasn't a blind risk, it was a calculated bet. In a large cohort, you are just another student, but in a small founding cohort, you are a student that gets accountability, access, and as well as attention. When I saw the curriculum was taught by practitioners from the industry, and you were forced to build and test, and that was good enough signal for me. Yes, I knew how to code and how to actually build products, but I didn't know how those things will actually make money. I didn't understand pricing, I didn't understand distribution, I didn't understand how those users will convert to revenue. And that's a risky game to be in, because you can build something great and still have zero paying customers. And that was a gap I came to fill. It was the Mokobara project. We did the APAC expansion strategy for Mokobara. Real customers, real market, real stakes. We conducted user interviews for Australia, Indonesia, and Singapore. We understood their real pain points, how they pack, and how they make purchase decisions. And within 6 weeks, we converted into 48 slides and presented it directly to the founders of Mokobara, not just for grades, for real feedback. And that feedback actually changes the way how you work. So today I can build entire GTM funnel from scratch, build scalable outbound solutions, conduct real consumer research and draw insights from them, and actually take decisions, plan market expansion strategies, and most importantly, think in terms of revenue, not just product features. As an engineer, I used to think that building product was the hardest thing, but a good product with zero or no marketing actually fails. But an average product with good marketing actually wins. That's when I realized that distribution is the real mode. Getting your product in hands of the right set of consumers, and that's when you convert your users into revenue. I would tell them, if you want comfort, don't come here. If you want clarity on how to build businesses, then this is a different game. You'll be pushed into situations where there is no right answer, just execution, decision, and feedback. And honestly, that's uncomfortable at first, but that's where the real learning is. And if that's your vision, SSB is the place for you.